Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Standard Notes step by step. A two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password whenever you sign in. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app or visit the Standard Notes web app, then sign in to your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, open your account or settings page. Next, navigate to the Security section and look for the Two-Factor Authentication or Two-Step Verification option. If your account supports this feature, click Enable or Set Up to begin the configuration process. Now open an authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another compatible app. Scan the QR code displayed by Standard Notes or manually enter the setup key if needed. Your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating time-based verification codes. Enter the current verification code from your Authenticator app into Standard Notes, then click Verify or Confirm to complete the setup. If recovery codes are provided, download or save them in a secure location. These codes can help you regain access if you ever lose your authentication device. Finally, sign out of your account and sign back in to test the feature. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code from your Authenticator app before access is granted, and that's it. You now know how to enable two-factor authentication in Standard Notes and add an extra layer of protection to your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!